Hello, I'm Amy. I'm the custody mechanic, and we're back again. And now, this time, what we're going to do is we are going to change the engine oil pressure switch because it is leaking and the oil pressure light's coming on. It's also called the oil pressure sending unit, the oil pressure sensor, but in my book it says the oil pressure switch. And I'm going to show you where it's located and how to change it. Okay, so this is what we have to do first. Always remember to take the negative cable off your battery. So that's what we're going to do first. And in order for me to get to it, because I don't like disconnecting it from there. I know I can, but no. I'm going to disconnect it directly from the battery. So we have to move that unit right. It's really simple to move that, okay? All right, so once I get that done, we will finish jacking up the car and go from there. I want to make sure that, okay, hang on. Take this off real quick. Number 10 to the battery. There we go. Alright, it is off. Now we want to make sure it doesn't ever touch the car. I'm shoving it in this hole. Well, I want to make sure this isn't metal at all. Okay, so there we go. Alright. Now, next thing we have to do is jack up the car and make sure that you chock the wheels and put in this gasket. I like to get a nice and high off the ground because I do not like to contract. And that's about it. Well, we got the car off ground. Oh, look at that. I want to. Look at it. Now. Right. You get past that. This way. Ugh. All right, so let's see here. All right, so I would just have to grab the phone and show y'all what I'm looking at, but right now, got a leaf right there. All right, so anyway, here we go. Okay. Oh no. Oh wait. Okay, well I clearly see where the oil is leaking on the ground right here. So the switch is gonna be right over here. I gotta turn around. I'm gonna get motherfucking done. Oh God. Alright, car, please don't let me down. Alright, here we go. Now, oh God, okay. This data. Alright, now, the thing that was leaking is going to be, okay, alright, I see it. Turn this bitch around. Okay, alright, so, if I put you behind me, I don't know if you can see it any better. I have to have hands free over here. Oh, come here, phone. Okay, hang on. Alright, shit. Hang on. Sorry, people. Sorry about that. Okay, now. Alright. Sorry. Let's see if we can. Alright, so the piece that I have to change. I should totally have brought a light with me. But, it's right here. You see where my glove is at? It's right there. Where that wire's coming out of, right there. So it's looks a lot different last night. I'll make sure that no, sorry, that's not it. I do apologize. I'm not far enough back. There's the bitch. There's the culprit. Right here. This. That is your oil pressure switch. And it's a relay for your low oil. When your car says it has low oil, it sends a signal through this stupid thing to open up a circuit to allow your little dummy light inside your car to come on. If that gets stuck on, the symptoms for this going bad on you is, of course, a leak. Yeah, that would be a very good sign. Also, your oil pressure light staying on constantly or acting erratically. Going off, coming back on, going off. Mine just pretty much stayed on all the time, but I had other issues with this car, so I really didn't know, if it was one of the many electrical ignition switch problems or if it was actually the sensor. So anyway, it turns out that after I fixed the oil leak that this thing had, now this thing's leaking. But you know what? That's the least of my troubles. I am psyched that that's all it is. I am happy that that's all it is, because this thing has taken me over 2 weeks to tear down and put back together and stop all of its little issues. So we're good. So what we need to do now to continue is we are going to have to get the right socket that we need. They make a special socket, but I'm going to try to use a wrench, because I don't want to go buy anything else, because I still have to buy the stupid part, which, by the way, is not very expensive for this 2.7. It is $13.99 at O'Reilly's, and at the high end at O'Reilly's, $21, and at AutoZone, it's $17, and that's the low end, and the high end is the $24. But anyway, so We'll see if my O'Reilly's really does have it, because if they don't, I'm going to AutoZone. So there you go. I would do Rock Auto, but you know what? They have to deliver and fuck all that. I ain't waiting all that. I want to get my car going. I want to get it running. So what we have to do next is we have to take off the oil filter that I just put on. So and I just did an oil change on this. So we're going to make damn sure that we collect every bit of oil that drops out of this car, because oh my God, she's got brand new clean oil in her ass. So we definitely are going to take care of that. Then we will go about getting this thing off of here. You know, that switch up there doesn't look too hot either, does it? Wow. I might have to, well, let's deal with one thing at a time. So by me changing this right here might not fix my lights in, you know, my indicator light. By the way, my car's check engine light is not on, and it does not throw any codes. So there you go. Clearly this malfunction on this is not going to throw any codes. Don't know why. It's really strange. But anyway, so yay, finally have a car that doesn't have a check engine light on all the time. But anyway, we're going to change that one there foremost. That's the one that's leaking. We're going to get it out. We're going to show you how to do this, and then rock and roll. I'll be back. Thank you.
In America, the future belongs to everyone.